Hello guys, today I want to teach you how to add YouTube subscribe animated video logo on your videos. It's very simple when you follow the process. First of all, we need this animated video, but since we can't do that on our phone, we can search that on the internet to get such video with a green background, okay, with a green background, so that we can use a chroma key to do it. And you can get these videos on your YouTube as well, or you can search that on your Google Chrome. Okay, so let's say for instance you get to your Google Chrome, then you searched for YouTube animated subscribe logo. Okay, so you are going to see a lot of videos like this. You should pick the one with the green background because you are going to use a chroma key for this editing. So after this, you download it and you save it in your gallery or your file manager, anywhere you want to save it. Then you go back, then you have to get the app called CapCut. Any app that you have that supports chroma key feature, you can use it. So I do have my CapCut already, so what I have to do is to open the CapCut. Okay, so when this app is open, and I'll click on new project. Okay, so I have to choose a video that I want to edit it and add this animated YouTube subscribe logo to it. So this is my video and I choose add. After that, then I have to choose where or the timing. I have to time the video, the place that I want to put the logo on. Is either I want it at the ending or in the middle or anywhere that you want to put the video on. You can just time it and put it. So this is where I want to put my own. So you click on overlay. That's at the bottom there. You can see edit, audio, text, sticker, overlay, effect, and so many on. So you just click on overlay. Okay, then you see a plus sign. You just click on the plus sign. So this you can see in the gallery. You can see my green background, YouTube subscribe animated logo there. Then you click on it. So this is it. This is how it's going to be like. Okay, so we need a chroma key to take off the green background. We need a chroma key to just take off the green background. So this is what I'm going to do. You click on add. So this is it. It's going to be on your screen like this. So you can use your two fingers to pinch it, to resize it. You can also drag it to where you want. So this is where I want mine to be. And after this, you just go through the buttons down there. You can see split, speed, volume here. You go through it and you will see cut out here. You click on it and you're going to see the chroma key. So you just click on the chroma key. So you can see this pointer on where the logo is. Okay, so you just have to shift it to the green background. Okay, to pick the green background so that you can just use this chroma key. So I've selected the green background. Then I click on the intensity. You can see down there. You just click on it. Then you increase it. You see that it has taken off the green background from the logo. So this is how it's going to look like. So after this, you just click on the mark sign here. Then you can play it and see how it's going to look like. So this is how it's going to look like. If you want to add the speed, you can do it. You can just click on the video and you click on the speed, how fast you want it or how slow you want it. After that, you can just click on the where you see the 720p at the top there. You click on it and you choose the resolution you want. After that, you click on the download sign and we export it for you, and it's going to be saved in your gallery. Thank you for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos.